Joining me now is this afternoon's bell ringer, Synchrony EVP and CFO Brian Wenzel. Good afternoon, Brian. It's great to have you.
Trinity, it's great to be here. On behalf of Synchrony, thank you for the invitation.
Absolutely, and we want to have you back more, as Tara said in the boardroom. So let's talk about Synchrony and the past 10 years. Talk to me about some of the most proudest moments that you've had, some of the key milestones. Tell us about them.
Yeah, for us, it's really about people. It starts with people. We doubled our workforce from 10,000 to 20,000. It's about developing a culture. And when we separated from our former parent back 10 years ago, we had the opportunity to really develop what kind of culture we wanted to be. And when you look at it, it's manifested itself in all of our key things around flexibility, but really around being a number 5 great place to work, number 1 in the Philippines, number 2 in India, which really say what we do matters. And our company's been founded, we've been in the works for over 100 years, but the last 10 has been really fueled by our employees and what they've been able to accomplish in such a tremendous market.
And when you were talking in the boardroom about how it takes a hugely committed team to get to this pivotal moment where you are today, but also key partnerships along the way. Talk to me about some of those key partnerships and what they mean to you.
Listen, we are with some of the most iconic brands in the United States. When you think about our over 4-decade relationship with Lowe's, which we extended, our relationships with Sam's Club, which is long-standing. When you look at those relationships, they're built on foundation, they're built on trust, they're built on delivering for our partners. But not only that, Trinity, what we did is we've actually expanded out. We have exciting new partnerships, ones with like Verizon and Venmo. We've expanded our business into pet insurance. So a lot of great areas, and across our company, across the full spectrum of people, we service over 100 million customers, and it's a lot of different business. So we have iconic brands, we have new brands, new relationships. Our team just continues to find ways in which we can serve customers' needs for financing in the United States.
And you recently chose 100 employees to donate $10,000 each to a charity of their choice. How did you go about selecting those employees who would participate?
The first thing for us, to be honest with you, is we're so focused on having employees represent our community. So all our efforts around DE&I, our affinity networks, they're really real. And what we know is people want to give back to their communities, and they have very special things that are important to them. So we said, listen, let's take 100 people, give them the opportunity to donate $10,000 to this charity of choice. Tell us what's meaningful about those charities. So it's an incredibly difficult process to go through, because when you read the submissions and you read what they want, there are so many meaningful things. But
talk to me about the secret sauce, so to speak, behind such satisfactory employee ratings.
Yeah, it's about flexibility. We don't force people to come in the office. You can choose to work at home. You can choose to come in the office. It's allowing people to be who they want to be. Our affinity networks and DEI allows people to walk through the doors and be who they want to be every day. That flexibility, that authenticity, that's really special for them, which has really increased our people who want to work for a company and lowered our attrition rate outside of the company.
Incredible. Well, congratulations again, and we wish you more success.
Thank you, Trinity. Have a great day.
You too.